Meaning of displacement.
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 Displacement. Displacement refers to the change in position of an object relative to its starting point. It is a vector quantity, meaning it has both magnitude and direction. The displacement can be calculated by subtracting the initial position of an object from its final position. Displacement is often used in physics to describe the motion of objects in 1, 2, or 3 dimensions. In everyday life, displacement can be seen when an object moves from one location to another, like a car driving down a road or a person walking across a room.